Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today we're going to talk about Polkadot. The train continues. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. Let's go ahead and jump in. So DOT has been one that we've been saying for quite a while now should have a role to play this market cycle, a slightly different narrative than the other ones that we follow, but it will move at key phases. It tends to move a little bit more so with the larger cap coins than some of the other altcoins that we follow. But you can see now it's currently at just under $46. It is starting to make a substantial move. Now, the reason why we're talking about the train is because it's sort of the main analogy that I've been referring to for the last 6 months or so for the valuation of DOT is that it generally being a train and getting your ticket to ride. And there's been a lot of stops to get your ticket. This was the major accumulation zone that we discussed endlessly on the channel. We've had key areas where we go back to that 20-day moving average, the 21-day EMA, and then we've had another major stop here over the last several months, in fact, or at least a couple months since about mid-February or so. Now we're starting to move up again, and we are getting some level of extension again off that 20-day moving average. And we can see that we've done it several times in the past where we've moved significantly off that 20-day moving average, sort of like climbing the stairs, right? We're more or less just climbing our stairs, going up and then coming back down, going back up and coming back down. We're just keep doing the same thing, and then this was a longer consolidation, and potentially we're beginning yet another climb. And what's interesting, and what we've discussed before with the valuation of DOT, is how much it resembles the Ether Bitcoin valuation move from 2015 and 2016. The general idea of a Q4 bleed against Bitcoin, a move back up to the top here in January, breaking through in February, and then we've seen that same thing with Ethereum back in 2015, 2016, a move down in Q4, a move back up in January, and then breaking through in February. Following the Ether breakthrough against Bitcoin back in February, it did move up substantially and then had a pretty big pullback. We said that we would expect DOT Bitcoin to not have as great of a return as the Ether Bitcoin valuation from 2015 to 2016 because the market capitalization is so much higher. But we have bounced off of this level. One of the things we can note is that the Ether valuation against Bitcoin from this level went up about 400% or so. I do not think that DOT will go up 400% against Bitcoin from that prior local top, from the prior local top. And from that level, we're currently already up about 31%. If we were to go up 400%, which I don't think we would immediately do, but if we did, it would be so far up that it would be somewhat almost unbelievable that it would go to that level, especially if, say, Bitcoin were to stay invariant. But if it did, that would correspond to about 0.003 in terms of the DOT Bitcoin valuation. I don't necessarily think that is likely. What I might be looking forward to is, maybe a 100% move, maybe a 200% move if we're lucky. And this, again, is if Bitcoin stays relatively bullish and does not go immediately back into price discovery mode. So we will continue to keep an eye on DOT. As I've said, it's in my top 5: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, ADA, and DOT. I think this is a strong coin for the market cycle, and it's one that I will hold in my own portfolio. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Let's go for 300,000 subscribers. I hope you guys do enjoy the content and the various coins that we talk about. So make sure you guys subscribe. Check out the premium list if you want access to exclusive content, and also give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye.